Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with Najla's Kitchen. We are going to make different types of Swahili foods. I'll be making potatoes with coconut milk mixed with meat, and Najla's Kitchen will be making plantains mixed with coconut sauce. I'll put her link in the description box so you can able to check out her recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 6 large potatoes cut into slices, 3 medium blended tomatoes, a half a kg of lamb meat, or you can use any other meat that you prefer. Then you're also going to need some green bell pepper blended with coriander, 1 teaspoon of Royco, a pinch of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 large slice of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, a half a lime or you can use a lemon, a half a cup of thick coconut milk, and lastly 2 cups of light coconut milk. So the first step, in a medium large pot, you're going to add approximately 4 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add the sliced onions and cook them until golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, you're going to add the meat. I've used lamb meat, or you can use any other meat that you prefer. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and give a quick mix. Then afterwards add the spices, which are Royco, turmeric, some salt and curry powder, and mix everything well. Then cover to let the meat to cook on a medium heat until soft. If by any chance your meat will still be hard, pour some water gradually until your meat becomes soft. Once the meat is getting soft, you're going to add the blended coriander and green bell pepper with blended tomatoes and mix everything well and let the stew to cook until thick. Let the stew to cook on a medium heat until the stew becomes thick and the meat becomes soft. Once the sauce becomes thick like this, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, optional, and mix everything well. Then lastly, squeeze a half lime or you can use a lemon to add an extra amazing taste to the sauce. And let the sauce to continue to cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. When the sauce is thick and less like this, then your sauce is ready and remove it out from the heat. The next step, you're going to take a medium large pot and add the sliced potatoes. Then afterwards, you're going to add the meat sauce, and lastly, you're going to add 2 cups of light coconut milk. Then cover to let it cook on a medium heat. When the potatoes start to boil or to cook like this, open the lid and let the potatoes to cook without covering them, or else they're going to stick at the bottom. After 30 to 40 minutes, you're going to check if your potatoes and the meat are soft. And if yes, then your coconut potatoes are ready, and remove them out from the heat and place them aside. The next step, you're going to take a medium small pot and add a half a cup of thick coconut milk and cook on a medium heat until the coconut milk becomes more thick. Once the coconut sauce is nicely cooked and thick like this, then your coconut sauce is ready and remove it out from the heat. And our tasty coconut potatoes and meat are ready. As you can see in the video, the meat and the potatoes are super soft. Serve the potatoes carefully on a plate to avoid from mashing them. At this point, you can choose to pour the cooked coconut sauce in the pot, or you can choose to pour the cooked coconut when you're serving it on a plate. Lastly, you're going to drizzle the thick coconut milk on top of the potatoes, as you can see in the video, to add an extra amazing taste to the potatoes. Serve along with some chili and a cold drink and enjoy your coconut potatoes. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please kindly don't forget to watch Najla's kitchen video on how to make plantains in coconut sauce. I'll put her link in the description box so you can able to check out her recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and see you next time. Bye bye.